Good morning, all of you. Welcome to your maths class. Today, we are going to discuss about Chapter 3, Playing with Numbers, Grade 6. Before starting the chapter, let us discuss about aims and objectives of the chapter. So, after the completion of this chapter, we are able to learn about factors and multiples, prime and composite numbers, to learn about divisibility of different numbers, to learn about HCF and LCM of numbers. HCF is highest common factor and LCM is lowest common multiple. To learn about some real life examples related to HCF and LCM. So, before starting the detailed explanation of the concepts, let us discuss about the new terms comes in this chapter. First one is prime numbers, composite numbers, highest common factor, that means HCF, lowest common multiple, that means LCM, co-primes, co-prime numbers, twin primes, twin prime numbers. So starting with the term factor. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Example, 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors of 6. Common factors. The factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Similarly, the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Factors are always smaller than that number. Now, the numbers which are common between the factors of 4 and 18 are 1 and 2. So, 1 and 2 are the common factors between 4 and 18. Let us discuss about properties of factors of a number. 1 is a factor of every number. That means 1 is factor of each and every number. Every number is a factor of itself. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Given number are finite. That means it has a finite value. And factors are always less than or equal to the given numbers. Now, let us discuss about multiples. Multiples of a number are those numbers which we get on multiplying the number by the integer. Example, multiples of 3 are 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and so on. Multiples can be infinite. Common multiples. Same as common factors, we can find the common multiples between the digits. Example, multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and so on. Multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and so on. Therefore, the first 3 or 4 common multiples of 3, 5, 6 are 3, 5, 6 are 30 and 60. Now let us discuss about properties of multiples. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. Number of multiples of a given number is infinite. That means we cannot count them, quantify them. Every number is a multiple of itself. Now let us discuss about the divisibility test of various numbers. Let us start with divisibility test for 2. If one's digit of a number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then the number is divisible by 2. For example, 12, 34, 56 and 78. In all these digits, one's place are even number or 0. So these digits are divisible by 2. We can just watch these digits and simply say that they are divisible by 2 or not. Next is divisibility test for 4. A number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last 2 digits, that means number at its ones place and tens place, is divisible by 4. For example, 1396 is divisible by 4 because its last 2 digits are 96 and we have to check if 96 is divisible by 4 or not. Now let us discuss about the divisibility of 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. That means for the divisibility of 3, we have to add all the digits present in the number, and thus if the sum is divisible by 3, then the whole number will be divisible by 3. Let us take an example. The digit is 27. Now what we have to do? We have to add the digits. 2 plus 7, which is 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. So 27 is also divisible by 3. Now let us discuss about divisibility of 5. If the ones digit of a number is either 5 or 0, then it is divisible by 5. Example, 75, 90, 100 and 125. In all these digits, ones place is 0 or 5. Now, let's move towards the divisibility of 6. For the divisibility of 6, first we have to check if the number is divisible by 3 or 2, both. If any number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, it must be divisible by 6. Now, let us move towards the divisibility of 8. A number with 4 or more digits is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last 3 digits is divisible by 8. So, the example is 73,512 is divisible by 8 because 512, that means the last 3 digits of the number, is divisible by 8. Now let us check the divisibility of 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Divisibility test of 9 is same as divisibility test of digit 3. Now let us move towards the divisibility test for 10. If one's digit of the number is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. For example, 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. Now let us discuss about divisibility of 11. Find the difference sum or at digits at the odd place and the digits at the even place. That means first we have to find the digits in the number which are at odd place and we have to add them. Second step, we have to find digits at even place and we have to add them. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract the answers of the sum of even place and odd place, and if it comes out to be 0 or it is divisible by 11, then the whole digit is divisible by 11.